Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. Yes, ow, that actually hurt, but yeah, yes, I finally got it. Forneus, I finally got Forneus. Sorry, but that's actually a pretty decent pink color of Forneus. But Master Devolos D5. Oh god. I'm excited for this one because they haven't released the damn Imperial Dragon, because that's one of my favorite bays from this set. Just wait. Never mind, it's not together. Yeah. Let's get that. Here's the back. Oh god. And yes, there's the two back. I can't wait. Get that over there. Ow! Goddamn snapped. Here's the Forneus. There we go. Forneus. Drake. And Metal Orbit. And finally, ow, okay, Master Devolos. Here's the code. Finally. Oh, yeah, that's metal too. Yay. That's gonna be fun. This is gonna be a fun driver because it's heavy. And decent, very decent. But yeah, look at it. It's beautiful. Oh god, sorry. I actually ended up screening of it, but yeah. Let's get this shitty shit out of it. The main reason why I got this set was for him, Master. There's a closer look of him, and get that out of here. Same with this one, get that out of here. Getting closer to the full set. Goddamn, Jeff. No. I'll probably watch a video later. It's Jeff Fabiano. He's another YouTuber. The character told me Hasbro. It looks pretty good. A little bit smaller right here. Actually, no. Yeah, it's decently. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty light because of the center, and also it's that dual-sided, and this is not plastic. Yeah, it's a harder plastic with stuff in it. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And hold up. Okay, sorry about that. I again turned it off instead of pausing. Sorry. Yeah, there's gonna be 3 cuts in this video probably. But yeah, here's the full set I have so far. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.